When I head out for a travel day, my city bag isn't just about what I'm carrying, it's about how I'm showing up in the world. The right essentials keep you prepared, confident, and ready for anything. Whether it's an unexpected adventure or a quiet moment to take it all in, I'm sharing what's in my bag so you can feel organized, grounded, and free to explore with ease. Let's get you ready. All right, you guys, we're doing kits in the wild. Let's go. I actually used everything inside. What's up, you guys? It's always Lorna Marie. We are starting a new series, Lorna's Kits in the Wild. This is everything that I actually carry with me. We are on the go as we speak. I have all of the goods inside of this bag. I just got back from Alaska and nothing has changed. I am here in Bend, Oregon. Cheers. We're having a couple of drinks. It's date day. And I was like, you know what? Let's share all the goods, all of the things that I have on the go. Because like I said, I want you guys to feel prepared. So this is what I bring traveling with me. There she is. She has a lot of things on the outside. We'll go through that in a second. But this is a Longchamp backpack. I got this in France. You can get it anywhere. I will find some comparables for you guys on Amazon so you can get something that's very similar. But what I love about this is it folds completely flat. I'm going to insert footage right here so you can see how it does that. Here she is. Let's hop into it. On the front, first and foremost, I have a sunglass holder. When I don't want to wear my sunglasses, it's on the outside, ready to go. It has a little clip here, so it clips right to the bag. Love this. So on the outside, I have this keychain. I just did a video for you guys that has my giant keychain that I bring on the airplane and on road trips, but I bring a few of the pieces with me on the town. So I'll take them off and then I will put them on the outside here. So first of all, we have this giant ring and this actually holds your bag. I've had one of these for years. I lost it. I use a hero clip as well. So either this or a hero clip is amazing, but it hooks right to the bag. You can put it on the back of a bathroom stall so you don't have to set your bag on the ground. Super important. Then I always have on the keychain some hand sanitizer. I do like to have this because it's really hot today and it's like 90 something degrees here in Bend, Oregon. I wanted to know, and guess what? I had a thermometer right here on a keychain. Love that. Last thing I have on this thing right here is a flashlight, just in case. This is a part of my travel series. I'm gonna share with you guys the drinks, the food, and all the things. Let me know how you guys like this. So I'm gonna show you guys inside right now what it looks like. I'm gonna give you guys a better angle. Oh, thank you so much. Ooh, those look good. Oh wow, thank you. Oh my gosh, our food just got here. It looks so good. Let me show you guys some of this stuff. Pork belly sliders. We have one more dish. Oh my gosh, I don't know how we're gonna eat all this. And then we got some poke nachos. It looks so good. And this is the chicken. There are two pockets, one here and one here. We're gonna go through this first pocket really quick. I have 3 items in the front pocket. I always carry my little mirror. And what I like about this one is it lights up. Love that. Then I always carry an extra backup battery charger that goes in the front pocket. And then I don't know if they still carry this little Louis Vuitton thing, but it just holds my little ear pods. I got these off of Amazon. I don't like the ones that go into a charging thing. I need a cord. I'm not responsible enough for that. So those 3 items go right there. Then in this back pocket here, I'm gonna pull everything out. Here is everything in that back pocket. First, Lysol spray, especially when you're in different countries. I have a little pack of wipes. I have some more hand sanitizing wipes. And then I have this little tool kit. You can bring this through TSA, but they took my tweezers or my scissors or something before. I got a new one, so hopefully they won't take that from me. I think I'm gonna put it in my check-in bag. And then I have my Apple AirTag. Always have to have that on me. And then here's just this little Louis Vuitton coin purse, but I keep Wisp and floss and some mints in here. And that's it. Next up is like my essentials pouch. This has like everything that I need in it. I love that it's clear. It's not fancy or anything, but you can get these on Amazon. Everything will be linked for you guys in a blog post down below. I will link everything for you. Floss and more. Thank you. You drink that fast. Q-tips and floss. I labeled it. Love these little baggies. It's one of my top sellers in my Amazon store, actually. I'm gonna just pull everything out of here so I can rapid fire this all for you. Oh, I couldn't find my stick, but I have a stick of bug spray, but it's in a solid form. And then I also have bug bite right here. I think it's important to, like, even in bins where by the water and stuff, I like to have this on me, as well as the other one. I'll link that for you, even though I couldn't find it to put it in the bag. Okay, this is body deodorant, which works like a charm. Really enjoy that. It's a travel size. Then we have a couple of these Neutrogena face wipes. I love taking my makeup off at the end of the day. If I'm in the cab, wherever, I like taking them off. Little hair ties and a sponge and some bobby pins in this little zippy pouch here. Then I have some individual lotion packets. I think this is super important. Then we have some wipes, some more wipes. I like having extra on me. And then we have Band-Aids. I have this really cute little case, got off of Etsy, and some more Band-Aids just in case somebody gets a blister. I have kids. I think it's important. Then we have SPF in here. And then I have a little body glide so you don't chafe. Nobody wants that. Tide stick, always top #1 item. If it's me, my purse, if it's me, my wallet, and my Tide stick and a lipstick, that's all I need. And then we have some Listerine strips. Then I have this pouch right here. This is just all of my makeup. Depends on where I'm at. If I'm in another country, I do like to have a couple little touch-up items on me because I do filming. So it's just lipstick. I have these eye drops from Japan. These work amazingly. This is from Tarte. It has a little snake on it. I think it's so freaking cute. Little touch-up powder, just a few other little things. And then I have some perfume and some more powder. All right, just a few more things in here. This is like an emergency bag. I have a granola bar because I get hangry. So these are my favorite. These are the Monk Packs, low carb. Have an extra poncho just in case it starts raining because we're going to Vietnam. So I want that in there. And then this is like a urinal, just in case, you never know. Then we have a portable fan, self-explanatory. I have a little shopping bag because you know I'm gonna find some souvenirs somewhere. Okay, this is my little mini bathroom bag. I have a bathroom bag video on my channel. I will link that down below for you guys. This is a smaller version of that. I have feminine products. I have sheets of soap. I have seat covers, toilet seat covers. We have poopery. Always gotta have that. So that's all that goes in that little bag. I think it's important, especially when you're in another country. You never know. Then I have a poncho, a rain poncho, because we're gonna be in tropical weather and it's always raining. And we were just in Alaska, so it definitely fit to have this in there. And last item, I'm not gonna go through all of this because I have an entire dedicated video on it. This is my first aid kit, my on the go, and it is kind of big, but I have 4 kids. We're gonna be in another country, and I want to have every single thing on me on the go. And I've used this so many times, I can't even tell you guys. This is so important to have. We're going to try these sliders. It says Hawaiian rolls, and they are pork belly. 1 bite for you and 1 bite for me. Oh my gosh, I love pork belly. It seems like you shouldn't like it because it's so much fat, but it's so good. You're gonna love this. All right, next up, we're trying the chicken. Ooh. Oh my God, wow. She was right. There's like a sauce on here. I have been traveling around the US with my family of 6 for the last 7 years. This year makes 7 years, which is kind of crazy. We just got back from Alaska. We do a lot of world travel. We did Japan in the winter. We are getting ready to go to Vietnam. Have we announced that yet? Dang, we didn't even announce that yet. You guys get to know the tea. Alaska was amazing. We are doing Reggae Rise Up here in Bend, Oregon. That's why we're here until the 1st. And we're taking our oldest 2 kids, which we're so excited about. So you guys will be able to follow along. And if you are not, follow us on Travel Vibe on Instagram. I'm there on a daily basis. We share all of our travels. You get to see the whole family, and it's a little bit more intimate over there. So if you like all of this, you will definitely love it over there. Next up, Poke Nachos. Here we go. So good. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed what's inside of my bag. I really want it to be helpful to you guys. I want to be of service to you and make you feel more prepared on the go. I hope my video did that for you. And if you like what you saw, I do all kinds of travel content, kit videos, all of that. Definitely subscribe and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you always have to have on you. Leave me a backpack emoji if you made it all the way here. No one's reminded you today. I want you to remember you're stronger than you think and you're more capable than you know. I want you to stay ready, live fully, and walk through this life knowing that you already have everything that you need. Thank you guys so much for being here with me. I'm always your girl, Lorna Marie. Bye.